Hey everyone, Zhuo here. So this has become one of the biggest discussions in real estate right now. A lot of buyers are sitting on the sidelines waiting for mortgage rates to come down before purchasing a home. And on the surface, that sounds logical. But here's the problem. The moment rate drops meaningfully, competition may come roaring back. Right now, buyers actually have leverage in many markets. More inventory, price reductions, seller concessions, inspection contingency, and more negotiating power. That's very different from the frenzy market that we saw a few years ago. But if rates suddenly move lower, many of the buyers who have been waiting may all jump back into the market at the same time. And when that happens, bidding war returns. Sellers gain leverage, prices may rise faster, and buyers lose negotiating flexibility. Ironically, some buyers waiting for a lower rate may actually end up paying more for the house itself. One thing I keep telling clients is, you should focus less on perfectly timing the market and more on whether buying makes sense for your life and finances today. Because remember, you can refinance a mortgage later if rates improve. But you usually cannot go back and buy the same house at yesterday's price once competition increases. And another important point, mortgage rates don't move based only on what the Federal Reserve does. They're heavily influenced by the bond market, inflation expectations, and global economic events. That's why rates haven't fallen as quickly as many people expected. So, today's market is really becoming a strategy market rather than a speed market. For buyers who are financially ready, this may actually be one of the better negotiating environments we've seen in years. And that's why many serious buyers are quietly moving forward right now while everyone else is still waiting. And if you're wondering how these trends specifically affects the Seattle or Eastside market, feel free to reach out anytime.